Hey everyone, I'm Deepak Soni. This is the second video of GoHighLevel Automation Series. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up automation for forms and surveys, how you can send email notification to form or service submissions, and how you can add your form submissions into CRM or the pipeline. Okay, do hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and make sure to not skip any part of this video. So let's get started. To do that, first we have to create a form. To create a form, we have to click on sites, click on forms, and click on builder. Here you have to click on add form. You can start from scratch and click on create. Okay. We can name that, let's suppose contact form. Okay. So this is the contact form where we are just asking a simple details like first name, last name, phone number and email. Let's remove that last name. Just ask here full name. Yeah, just full name, phone number and email. Make them required and delete this. Yeah. So this is a simple form that we have created. So click on save and preview that. Looks like. Click on back. Now create the automation. We have to click on automations. Here I have created a folder where I'm going to put all the GTL automations. So click here. Yeah. Now we are going to set up a automation. Click start from scratch. Here I'm going to set automation for form and surveys. Okay. Form and surveys. Okay. For this, we have to click on add new trigger. Type your form submitted. So we have to add a filter, which is form is. Now we have to select a form that we have created, a contact form. Click on save trigger. Okay. After a person fills the form, I want to send an internal notification for me. Send internal notification. From Deepak. Email will be lead@winemedia.com. To user type, you have to click on custom email. Type your email here where I'm going to receive that email notification. Subject, new lead registered. Yeah. I have not created a template. So yeah, new lead in the pipeline where we can set name. We can select custom values. Click contact, full name, email. Again, click on custom values where put email of the submission, phone. Again, yeah. So this is the option. So first we have to send an internal notification to myself that a lead comes in the pipeline. Next, I want to send a notification to the lead. So click on email, send email from Deepak from support @advinemedia.com. Subject, thanks for getting touch. Here, hi, custom values, full name. Thanks for get in touch. Will con you soon. Best. Now click on save action. So yeah, we have created two automations. First one is internal automation so that we know the lead is getting in the pipeline. Second, we have sent an email automation that to the lead Third, we are going to set an automation to put that lead into the CRM or the pipeline. Okay. So click on plus, opportunity, create another opportunity. Here you have to select the pipeline. Let's suppose a pipeline. You have to select a stage. Let's suppose cold prospecting. Opportunity name, you can add from there a tag, which is contact and full name. Opportunity source, like from which funnel this is coming. Let's suppose it's a lead generation funnel, lead funnel. You can set the opportunity value, whether what is the value of the lead. Now click on save action. Session to send an internal notification to us, a email to the lead, and a automation to set the lead into the CRM or the pipeline. Okay. Click on publish and save that. Fill the name. Put that email. Click on button. Okay, we have submitted the form. Now to test that, click on enrollment history. So we can see that our automation is working very good. So click on back. Let's see the lead has been come in the CRM or not. Click on opportunity. Select the pipeline. The lead has been come in the CRM. So that's how. So the mission to send the form submission or the lead into the CRM, or you can send an email or the internal notification to yourself. Thanks for watching this video. Do hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.